Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stable Diffusion WebUI, generate AI images locally step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Stable Diffusion WebUI. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the Login section. Enter your username in the designated input field. Next, input your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait for the system to authenticate your information. If the login is successful, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. If you encounter any issues, double-check your username and password for accuracy. If you forgot your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link and follow the instructions to reset your password. Now that you are logged in, locate the Image Generation section. Select any specific parameters or styles you want to use for your AI images. Upload any images or files if required by the WebUI. Once everything is set, click on the Generate button to create your images. You can then preview the generated images in the designated area. If satisfied, you can download the images directly to your computer. Feel free to explore additional features offered in the WebUI to enhance your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.